Here's a quick Power Query challenge. Find all staff missing a national ID. Sounds simple, but this trick works for any who is missing what problem. Customers with no orders or products never sold, projects with no budget, etc. Once you learn it, you'll use it everywhere. For example, staff number 1054 has a tax ID and health insurance ID, but no national ID. Let's see how to pull out everyone like that in a clean, reusable way. From the get-go, I see two things we will need: a complete list of all staff numbers and a list of staff numbers that do have a national ID. If I can get both lists, then the answer is just all staff minus staff with national ID. That's the basic thought process. I'll start with the all staff list. From the source table, I right-click the staff number column and choose Drill Down. That gives me a list, not a table, and in the formula bar you'll see something like this: source staff number. That's Power Query's way of saying, just give me the values from this column. Since a staff number might appear multiple times for different IDs, I'll remove duplicates. Now every staff number appears exactly once. This is my complete set of IDs. I'll rename this step to all IDs. It's not just about being tidy, naming steps clearly makes it easier to reuse them later without guessing what they do. Now I need a list of stuff with national IDs. To get there, I'll create a new step and just reset to the original table, source. That's my clean starting point for the second list. In the identifiers column, I'll filter to only national ID. This table now shows each appearance of a staff number with a national ID. Drill down once again. I'll rename it to exclude. Once more, create a new step. I will use List.Difference function. The first argument is our all IDs and the second is exclude. This is the logic from earlier: all staff minus the ones with a national ID. What's left are the ones without it. And there it is, a unique list of every staff member missing a national ID. Clean, no manual checks, and ready for reporting. If you are already comfortable with list functions, you could condense this into one line. But if you are still learning, breaking it into steps is better. It makes the logic obvious. Now your turn. Could you solve this in a completely different way? Maybe with grouping or another list trick? Drop your ideas in the comments. See ya!